Just climbed down a rocky hill on dusk, and there is a knob-tailed gecko that's just poking its head out. A northern velvet gecko just perched on it. Gonna have a look at him. It's actually started taking off already. Oh, look at him. Quick. Righto, so I just saw a shooting star, and that means I gotta make a wish, and I wish that we get a snake in this concrete pile here. That would be nice. It's a carpet python. In here we have a little green frog called a sedge frog. It is either Latoria phallax or Latoria bicolor, best distinguished by call. Latoria inermis, the bumpy rocket frog. Pretty common in North Queensland as well, especially around any watercourses. Got two frog species here. We've got the Roth's tree frog, also called the northern laughing tree frog, and over here we have the naked tree frog. One of the most widespread frogs across Australia. Just found a green tree frog looking up in the direction of a newborn flower pot blind snake. Absolutely tiny. Next to another creek line, and we have a, where is it? Oh, there it is. Slaty grey snake, hunting for frogs and possibly lizards as well. Just found the smallest spotted python I've ever seen in the wild. I'd imagine it'd probably be eating really small skinks or really small geckos or even frogs. Oops, didn't like that. There's another one further up, we'll film that later. Alright, so I was just walking around this abandoned road next to a creek line, and I've just spotted a snake. I'm not 100% sure what it is yet, but let me get closer. Ah, yep, black striped snake. This is a smaller lapid that lives mostly in North Queensland. A lapid pretty much just means front bang venomous land snake. Although I'm not entirely sure about sea snakes, if they're still in that. But yeah, this little guy can pack a punch. It's gone now.